Okay, welcome back. This is video 3 for setting up your jukebox. Okay, so we've pretty much gone over the machine. We described the tray here, how it lifts out, and how to change the title strips, and how to change records and all that. So basically, I'm going to be doing some videos of it being packed up and playing a few records just before we ship it out, which is in 2 days from now. So, but anyways, we're going to put a quarter in here. And as you can see, the select button comes on. And again, none of the title strips in here, so some of these are, they're handwritten. What you're going to want to do is make the professional looking title strips. So I have a program on the internet, and I'll send you the link, and you can print these out and then cut them and put them in so they look professional. Now I'm going to put a few records in this jukebox, so when you get it and you unwrap it, check it out for damage, physical damage. Then you're going to take the back doors off, and you're going to pull the power cord out of the back. You're going to look at your tubes, just snug them up, just push on each one, make sure they're pushed all the way in so we don't have any problems there. Once you have your power cord out, we're going to put the back doors back on, then come around front, and we're going to put the quarter in. And I'll put a couple title strips in here with records so you can play it. So we're going to play a selection here. Let's make sure we got the right selection. So we got C25 and D25. And we'll leave this up for right now. We'll give you an example. So we're going to push C, and we'll go over here at 25. And she's going to spin. She's going to play Bill Haley in the Comments. We'll lift the record up. It's going to clamp it, and then the tone arm's going to come over and play your record. There you go.
1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. We're going to rock. 11 o'clock tonight, put your slide back. Join me home. Have some fun when the first light's rock. Rock around the clock tonight. We're going to rock, rock, rock. All day long. We're going to rock, around the clock tonight.
Okay, we're going to go around the back and knock it off. Okay, we push the knockoff switch, and then what it does is it puts the record away. Okay, and since there isn't another selection made, okay, it's not going to play in our record, it's going to turn off. So as you can see. So then we'll put this back. You can see when you put this back, you can actually see the selection. Whoop. We want to make sure that that's in there properly. There we go. So as you can see, it's a C25, and that's exactly what we played. So anyways, I just wanted to go over that with you. When you get your jukebox, you're going to pull the back cord out. You got to take those two back doors off. Make sure your tubes are snug. Just press on each one gently. Make sure they're in so nothing wiggled out. Pull your cord out. Put your two back doors on, and you should be good to go. Watch these videos. Okay, and then stick a quarter in and play a few selections. I'll have a few selections. I'll put them over here. I'll make up some title strips and put some records in there, and then you'll plop your quarter in. The selection button will come on. You'll make your selection, and it should play the song, and we should be good to go. So I hope you enjoyed these videos. I'm going to do a couple more videos when this ships out of packing it and all that sort of stuff, putting it on the truck. So take care and enjoy your new jukebox. I'm sure you're going to love it. As far as, one other thing is I understand you're putting it in the bed and breakfast themed room, so really your customers aren't going to mess with this jukebox. I mean, you're going to make it simple. You're going to set your volume the way you want it. They're not going to be knocking off records, so basically, your instructions to them will be put a quarter in, make a selection. When the song's over, it's over. And you might want to hook this up to a power strip on the floor so they don't even have to reach around back. All you got to do is turn on your little power switch. There should be a little switch on there, and that way they can turn the jukebox off, and that would be the way to go for that. That way they're not reaching around back and canceling records and changing the volume and all that. You set it the way you want it, plug your power supply, your cord into your little power strip you buy at Home Depot or something like that, and those power strips have a little on-off switch on them, and that would be on the floor next to the jukebox and make it easy for on-off switch for your customers that are staying in that particular room. If they don't want it on over the night with the light on, then they can just switch that little switch, and that's the end of it. They don't need to go around back and mess with cancel switches or volume or anything like that. So, all right, we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.